In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix mic not working on Discord. So the first step is to go to user settings and then you just have to click on voice and video. Now from here, we just have to choose our input device. So this will be our microphone. So make sure you select the correct one. Then also make sure the input volume is set to max. And then you can click on let's check. And when you talk, if you see this bar moving, that means that your microphone is working. Also, make sure to select voice activity instead of push to talk, because if you use this, you'll have to press a specific key and hold that key in order to basically speak and other people to hear you. Now, the last tip, what you're gonna have to do, so in some Discord accounts, and if you're using the Discord application, so I'm using the browser version, but here at the bottom, you can scroll down and you'll see a red button that says reset voice settings. So you can click on that to reset your voice setting and it should work again. So basically that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.